Yeah. So this is the first time we've seen the Hilleberg Nallo 2 without the inner, just the outside pitched. And it's massive in there without it. Yeah. But we don't want to get eaten alive by midges. So we are going to put the inside in there. Alright, so I'll do the guy ropes and all the rest of it from the outside. It's been so long since I pitched the Nature Hike Cloud Peak 2, that I've actually forgotten how to pitch it. So what I think I'll do is just get the poles in so it's freestanding, and then I can chop the ground sheet underneath it, whatever it needs, and then peg it out.
I forgot about that.
How are you doing? Just very last minute. I've just like chucked a duvet in my back and was like, oh, good. I could have fitted my bed in there.
So we're on the search for another stick to hold up the tarp because we've forgotten the tarp poles. I think it's okay as it is, but Magda's insisting that she wants another one. Just found one over there, but it's basically a fallen tree and it's far too fat.
I've got the mosquito spray if you want.
Oh, okay.
If you feel like...
Have you ever seen one of these before?
Looks like it's raining.
Yeah,
Fire's coming. Here we go, here's fire.
I forgot that you're vegetarian. Why didn't you remind me?
I didn't know she was coming.
I didn't know I was coming.
Ready for fire?
Yeah.
There you go, fire.
Is that that's a black airbed?
Yeah, that's a lightweight backpacking airbed.
Oh, I need one of those. I need to get one. That is good.
About 30 quid.
Are they?
Yeah.
And they're comfy?
Yeah. But in the winter, the cold comes through it.
Mm.
A lot of people buy these ones called Thermarests. It's
Yeah.
basically that, but it's thermal insulated. However,
Really good.
they're about
Yeah.
180 quid.
Oh. Is that filming?
Yeah.
All the whole time?
Yeah.
Are we streaming live?
Yeah.
Because I was just...
See this thing here?
Yeah,
These two halves, they slot into each other,
yeah,
and then we've got two of these bowls that go inside it.
yeah.
A kettle goes in, a chopping board goes in, a frying pan goes on top. The whole thing is the size of that bit, right? But then, when you want to use, when you want to use the kettle, that goes in there like that. See?
All right.
And the bowls go in there as well.
That's good.
And that's your little alcohol stove in the middle
Oh, why is it called an alcohol stove?
because it runs on alcohol.
Oh.
That's the alcohol bottle. Okay, so we're back on the Trangia alcohol, and we're going to make some pasta and then cook some meatballs. It was off.
A bit more.
Needs a little bit longer.
Stove.
Moose is on guard.
I know, he's growling at that chap.
We're bubbling. Ah, simple fix.
Do you like
Little
al
check.
dente or would you like well done?
No, I like it soft.
Yeah, I'll do.
Is it done?
Yeah.
So we're going to strain it out now. That's the Trangia chopping board and strainer in one.
There we go. Table is so cool.
So we've done the pasta and now we're putting the meatballs in the bowl. Little bit of butter in there. I'm not sure if we're going to get any rain tonight, so that's why we put the tarp up. Not sure if you can see that. We've got a little tarp set up. 2 tents there. Gemma's in the Nature Hike Cloud Peak 2, which I've not used for about a year.
Yes, September.
We've used that tent twice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's practically a new tent. and we're in the Hill of Bergnallo too, which obviously is overkill for a little beach camp with no wind. Look at those meatballs.
I knew it. I'll take you back. What was this? I knew you were coming. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, like that. Cheese, of course.
That looks really good. Test the meatball. That's good. Nice.
Simple, quick.
Someone's got his eye on a meatball.
Ooh. Can I give it to him?
You want a meatball?
Ooh, yes.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, yes. No.
You want a meatball, Moosey? You want a meatball?
There's a pasta. I can give you pasta with sauce. Oh, stick that in.
Not for you, Moosey. Not for you.
Ginormous breakfast at the beach. Thanks to the Trangia.
Oh, thanks to me.
Trangia and Magda. And thanks to Magda who cooked it. This is the Rab Tarp 3, I think. Been quite pleased with that since I've had it. Quite a good pitch on the tent there. Nice and taut. And that's the view, which is Poole Harbour. That's not the sea, that's the second biggest natural harbour in the world. And then just over there, you've got a chain ferry there. And the chain ferry goes backwards and forwards from this bit of land to the land that you can see the other side, and that's the mouth where this harbour joins the sea. About a 10-minute walk that direction, the other side of this landmass here, you've got Sandbanks Beach. Not a bad little spot. Not many people know this is here.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you very much indeed.
Don't worry.
Cheers, guys. Have a good, yeah. Well, you had a good week. Good
Thanks.
days, weather.
Leave no trace.